Hey, how are you kids doing? Ah, I'm doing good, thanks. Did you know that these handlebars are hard mounted on the 24 to 26 KTM 350 and 500 trail bikes, the EXCFs, the XCF-Ws, whatever they are, the 450 XCF-WC, whatever the hell it is, and the XCW two-strokes, 250, 150, 300. Yeah, it's funny. They have the holes in there for the rubbers, but they decided just to save a few bucks and hard mount these towers to the triple clamp. So you get a lot of shock through your hands and a lot of vibration. The best part is we've come up with even new, better dampeners than we had before. We had the best, now we've improved them to make them even better. So how do you change these things? Well, it's pretty simple. You don't even need to take the handlebars off. I don't. There's a Torx bolt under each side here. Just use a simple thing like this. It's a T45. You can get in there even on this 500 with the steering lock. Take them both out and this whole assembly will pull up. I'll show you. So here it is. It's funny, they've already got the tapers and everything cut in there, and you're gonna pull your bolt out here, take this collar off because you will use our collar assembly. We're gonna take our pieces here, just like this. Comes from underneath, comes into the top. This bolt will come in from the bottom, of course, and we will do it on both sides, and then just secure the assembly back together. I just tighten them until they're tight. Torque specs, you can look in your manual if you want. This blue Loctite tight does come with it. I personally never use it, but if it makes you feel better, knock yourself out. And we'll just snug these babies together. These were not designed by me. These were designed by my friend Bill, whose job it is to come up with spectacular urethane designs to meet different needs. Some kind of the gnarly things like mounting huge guns to things where you don't get the recoil, but the gun doesn't break off at the same time, like gnarly stuff. So he's king of urethane. He figured this out on his own bike, called me, do you want to sell it? I said, you bet. They work well. But he's got some new stuff. One more time, we came up with the new collar for it. A little bit different feel, a little bit more compliant than it was before. Simple to do. Maybe the number one thing you should do to your bike, if this is applicable to it, get rid of the vibrations, get rid of the jars, get some compliance, and make your riding much nicer. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and you get these at bestdualsportbikes.com or pinutracing.com, of course.